Number 1. Corsair 4000D. When it comes to building a high-performance PC on a budget, the Corsair 4000D stands out. This case combines innovative cable management with concentrated airflow and classic Corsair build quality. From my extensive testing, it's clear that this is a fitting choice for any PC builder seeking a balance of functionality and style. The Corsair Rapid Route cable management system is a game changer. Routing your major cables through a single channel becomes simple and fast. With 25mm of space behind the motherboard, cable organization is easier than ever. No more wrestling with tangled wires or cluttered internals. Two 120mm air guide fans come pre-installed, offering concentrated airflow with anti-vortex vanes. These fans enhance cooling efficiency, allowing your components to stay cool even under heavy loads. Whether you're gaming or editing videos, maintaining optimal temperatures is essential. Support for Mini ITX, Micro ATX, ATX, and eATX form factor motherboards provides incredible flexibility for various builds. A spacious interior accommodates up to 6 120mm or 4 140mm fans, along with multiple radiator sizes. You can install a 360mm radiator in the front and a 280mm one in the roof, depending on your RAM height. Modern connectivity options like a USB 3.1 Type-C port, USB 3.0 port, and a combination audio microphone jack are conveniently placed on the front I/O panel. These features ensure you have all necessary connections within easy reach. On the downside, the case could include more fans for even better airflow right out of the box. However, the existing setup already offers impressive cooling capabilities. Overall, the Corsair 4000D exceeds expectations for a budget case. Its thoughtful features and robust design make it a top contender. Explore its offerings further and see how it can elevate your PC building experience. That's a wrap. We trust you enjoyed exploring our selection of best budget PC cases.